Thank you, County Attorney John Choi, and thank you, Sheriff Fletcher, for the work and the leadership that you've done. My name is Hao Wen. I'm the Trial Division Director and the Appellate Unit Director for our Ramsey County Attorney's Office. I've been a prosecutor now for 16 years, and before that, a police officer. John is absolutely correct. In historical times and regular course of actions, we work hand in hand with the federal government to investigate cases and to make sure that justice is done. This is unprecedented, as John spoke about. So for us to be on the other side of things or on the other side of the investigation is problematic, especially when we're seeking justice. One of the ways that we do that is that we are asking for information sharing. It's a case from 1955. It's called Tui v. Reagan. I'm not going to go down the criminal law aspect of it. We'd be here for a few hours. But it's important that this letter was sent, and we sent that demand on March 20th of 2026 to the Department of Homeland Security as well as to the U.S. Attorney's District here in Minnesota. That letter outlines what we're concerned about, and that letter can be found online as well. But particularly what we're asking for is are the police reports or federal police law enforcement reports authored by the Department of Homeland Security. We know there are reports. There's just no way that there aren't. We want also to know who was working that day, who was working that month, where did they report to, who did they report to. We also want to understand what recordings might be out there in terms of digital recordings, witness interviews, video recordings. So all of that information becomes very necessary for us to be able to process if there were crimes violated at the state level. Now, I think it's important to be clear that we, as the state of Minnesota, have a sovereign immunity under the 10th Amendment of the Constitution to be able to enforce and investigate criminal violations of state law. And to that end, we aim to do that. But that letter outlines and demands and requests that information. We've given until April 30th for the federal government to give us that information, and part of this process is ongoing. That being said, our team, and I'm really proud of my team, that involves prosecutors here in this office as well as local law enforcement to continue the investigation. Parts of my team, we have gone and federally gotten ourselves licensed to practice in federal court. So one of the things here that we anticipate is an enforcement of a federal state violation. So kidnapping, false imprisonment, things of that nature. If we do come up with a charge, and again, we have no preconceived notions of that, but once we get information, and if we're able to do that, we would like to be able to prosecute the cases in federal court, and our team is ready to do so.